Good evening, all the respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Serin Deepsa Machi. I read in class 1, section A. My school name is PM Sri Kendra Vidyalaya, Sambalpur number 2, Bulla. Today I am a teacher. Good morning, students. How are you? Sit down, sit down. Today I learn about community helper, different types of community helper, such as first doctor, carpenter, policeman, barber, teacher. First doctor is help the patient. Carpenter is makes chairs and tables. Policeman is give or save. Barber is cut or hair. Teacher help the student to learn. I am a teacher. I'm proud of myself. Thinking about student future. 24 into 7. I love my profession very much. Thank you.
थैंक यू सिरीन।
थर्ड प्राइज पाई सिरिनी रिप्सा माझी पीएम श्री केबी2 बुल्ला। थर्ड प्राइज रिप्सा माझी। थर्ड प्राइज पीएम श्री केबी2 बुल्ला। सेकंड प्राइज पुण्य पुनीता महाले पीएम श्री केबी2 बुल्ला। पुण्य पुनीता महाले। And first prize goes to Paridhi Pradhan, DAV Public School, Bulla. Paridhi Pradhan, DAV Public School, Bulla. Memory of Aditya Pujari, sponsored by Kissan.
कुछ बोलो।
तांको द्वारा
कुछ बोलो।
पुरस्कार मोनालिसा पंडा। Third prize goes to